It's Friday, it's January 21st. I'm Katrina Smith. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us. We got up and we used our car starters this morning because it was cold. It still is.
Yes, at this point I use my car starter every morning, but it only lasts for 15 minutes, so I did it like three times. I kept turning it back on. It's freezing outside. Let's take a look at the current conditions at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We are looking at 7 degrees below zero. It does feel like 7 degrees below zero because the winds have finally calmed down since yesterday. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and we are looking to remain dry for today and for tomorrow. Now, once again, our temperatures are very low this morning. We are in the 20s below zero up north, 6 below zero in Westmoreland, 10 below zero in Dalledgeville, and then we are kind of above zero down south, but still very, very cold this morning. So it is very frigid. The cold weather does continue into the weekend and the beginning of next week, and we do have a chance for some snow on Sunday. Before today, we will rise to the upper single digits to lower teens for the high, so it is going to be pretty cold outside, but at least it is going to be sunny, and I will be tracking your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up partly cloudy this morning, but all of our temperatures are below zero. It is going to be a very cold day today. Let's take a look at that CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We see partly cloudy skies and calm winds this morning, but once again, all of our temperatures are below zero, so it is very, very cold outside. Make sure you do bundle up. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and it is looking we are going to remain dry for all of today and for tomorrow. We see little to no cloud cover too this morning. We are seeing partly cloudy skies, and it is going to be mostly sunny for the day today. But look at those winds. They are coming out of the north. They are calm at the moment, but since they are coming out of the north, that's what's making it feel a lot colder than the actual temperature outside. So we do have a wind chill advisory still in effect by the National Weather Service for all of central New York. This went into effect last night and it goes into effect through 10 a.m. this morning. Wind chill values getting as low as 20 to 30 degrees below zero at times, and this is when frostbite is possible within 30 minutes to exposed skin. So make sure you do bundle up this morning. Even today at all, it is not going to be warming up that much. Our high is only in the low teens. So let's take a look at that temperature versus the wind chill. So this morning, all of our temperatures are below zero. We will climb to the low teens for the high today later on this afternoon, but we are still looking at wind chill values in the single digits just around zero. So it is going to be a very cold day outside today. Once again, make sure you do bundle up or stay indoors if you can. So it is all below zero this morning, our temperatures, but it is partly cloudy outside. We will rise to the lower teens for the high this afternoon. It is going to remain sunny, and we will see a calm wind coming out of the north, so it is going to feel a lot colder than the actual temperature. Overnight tonight's getting really cold once again. Our lows will all drop below zero once again, and once again tomorrow morning, waking up, all of the temperatures below zero. Now for the day tomorrow, it is going to warm up pretty quickly. We are going to be seeing highs in the upper teens, and we will see an increase in cloud cover. Now into Sunday, it is going to be even warmer. We are looking at highs in the low 20s, but we are going to be seeing some lake effect snow showers kind of develop in the north and then shift down south throughout the day on Sunday. It doesn't look like a lot at the moment. We are going to be seeing some type of snowfall. Now for today, we are seeing highs in the lower teens. We have a light breeze coming out of the north, but it is going to be mostly sunny. It will remain clear in the overnight hours tonight, and all of our low temperatures once again will drop below zero. So we are going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow with highs near 20. It is going to be mostly sunny with a few scattered lake effect snow showers expected on Sunday. A little bit warmer with highs in the mid-20s. We are drying out on Monday before some light snow showers move into the area on Tuesday. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. Utica police arrested a man on Thursday who...
Good morning to White Sparrow and all of the greater Utica region. We are waking up this morning with all of our temperatures below zero. By the afternoon, we are going to rise just to the lower teens for for the high temperature today, so it is going to be a cold day outside. And if you are planning on walking at all or walking to your car in the parking lots, it are going to be a little bit icy because we did see temperatures all fall below 0 last night. So we are way below freezing. So any areas that didn't really get cleaned up with the current snowfall, probably going to be a little bit icy for today. If you are planning out your weekend, it is going to be dry and mostly sunny on Saturday, but we do have highs just in the low 20s or near 20. On Sunday, we are definitely going to be seeing some light lake effect snow showers up north. They are going to shift kind of down to the Mohawk Valley and down south before coming to an end, but these are going to be very light in nature. And I'll have a look at your commute forecast for today coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. State Police gathered in Oneida. It's Friday. It's January 21st. I'm Katrina Smith. Meteorologist Hannah Evans is in the Weather Center, and she is tracking very cold temperatures for this morning. Hannah.
Yes, we are seeing most of our temperatures are below 0, so it is very, very chilly outside. We're not looking to warm up that much. Our highs today are only in the low teens. So let's take a look right now at the current conditions at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We are at 7 below 0 right now. The winds are calm, so that doesn't seem to be a problem at the moment. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and we are looking to remain dry for today and for tomorrow. So here's a look at our temperatures. We are at about 20 below, in the 20s below. Up north, we are at 11 below in Dowdesville, 7 below in Westmoreland. So it is pretty cold this morning. Make sure you do bundle up if you are heading out anytime soon. So it is very frigid this morning. The cold weather will continue into the weekend and to the beginning of next week. And we are going to be seeing a little chance for some snow on Sunday. Now for today, we are going to be dry and mostly sunny, but our highs are only going to be in the low teens. And I will have your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. A new investigation.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up partly cloudy this morning, but it is very cold. Almost all of our areas are below 0 this morning. It is not looking to warm up that much for today. Let's take a look at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Once again, partly cloudy outside, all of our temperatures below 0. Good news is that it is going to be sunny today, although it is going to be pretty cold. Now on our radar and satellite this morning, we are seeing a decrease in the cloud cover. So we are going to be mostly sunny today. Little to no clouds expected in the sky, but it is going to be very cold. We are also going to be seeing a little bit of a breeze coming in from the north that is going to be bringing even colder air into the region. So it is going to feel very cold outside today, so make sure you do bundle up. Already getting some Skywatcher reports this morning. We are ranging all below 0. Some areas above. We have 22 below in Old Forge, just 12 below in Oppenheim, 6 below in Glenmore, 17 below in Westdale. And if we do go down south, we have 5 below in Milford, 2 above in Morris, and then 9 below in West Winfield. So it is a very chilly start to the morning, not looking to warm up too much today. So this wind chill advisory is still in effect until 10 a.m. this morning. This was issued by the National Weather Service because wind chill values getting as low as 20 to 30 below here this morning, and that's when frostbite can occur within 30 minutes to exposed skin. So just be careful if you are heading outside, or better yet, just stay inside if you can. So here are the temperatures versus the wind chill temperatures today. We are all below 0 this morning. We will climb to the lower teens for the high today. So that is still pretty cold, and our wind chill values are going to be around 10 degrees below the actual temperature. So it is going to feel very cold outside today. So once again, we are waking up with partly cloudy skies. We will be seeing mostly sunny skies today, and temperatures are going to be in the lower teens for the high. It is going to get very cold once again overnight tonight, and when we wake up tomorrow, similar temperatures to this morning, below 0. Now for the day tomorrow, it is going to warm up quite a bit. We are going to be seeing highs near 20 and in the lower 20s, but we will see an increase in clouds throughout the day. Now moving into Sunday, it is going to be a little bit warmer than Saturday, but we are going to be seeing some lake effect snow showers that happen up north in the morning, and they will shift south throughout the day. So all of us are kind of going to be seeing some type of light snowfall for Sunday. Now for today, we are mostly sunny. Our highs only in the upper or the lower teens today. It is going to be very cold outside. Overnight tonight, we do remain clear, allowing for temperatures once again to drop below 0. So tomorrow it is going to warm up a little bit more than today. We will see a high in the low 20s. The snow showers expected on Sunday, they are going to be scattered and light with a high in the mid-20s, drying out for a little on Monday before some light snow does return into the area on Tuesday. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Ralph Lauren has...
Welcome back. With the weekend coming up tomorrow and Sunday, I did want to give an update on the ski and snowboarding reports at the mountains. A lot of the mountains did get about an inch of new snow within the past 24 hours, but within the past 7 days, gotten a lot of new snow since that snowfall occurred the other day. The conditions are pretty good. We are ranging from machine groomed to packed powder, so it should be a nice weekend to go. It's not going to be too cold either. We are still behind average in snowfall. We are about 2 feet behind the average of about 46 inches. We have only received 20 inches, so we are just shy of 2 feet of snowfall for this season thus far. Once again, for your weekend, we will see high temperatures in the 20s on both of our days. On Saturday, it is going to be sunny, but it is going to feel cold because we are going to be seeing a slight breeze. Now on Sunday, we are going to be seeing a few lake effect snow showers starting up in the north, and they will shift south throughout the day. I'll have another look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much. First, I'm Katrina Smith. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now for the chilly forecast.
Yes, very, very cold this morning. We were just talking. We both used our car starters. I used mine like 3 times because mine goes off after 15 minutes.
I rarely use it. I usually just go out and, tough it out. But this morning I just laid in bed and
yes,
turned it on.
It's super cold outside. Yes, so make sure you do bundle up if you are heading out. Let's take a look right now at the current conditions. We are at 8 below at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. But the good news is that the winds are calm, so we are not really seeing a wind chill temperature at the moment. We are also dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and it is going to be sunny today, so that is another good thing about this cold. Now here's a look at our current temperatures. 26 below in Lowville, 12 below in Dowdesville. So again, we are very, very cold this morning. Most of our areas are below 0, and we are only looking to rise to the lower teens for the high today. But if you are commuting, it should be fine this morning. It is going to be sunny later on, and it is going to be dry all throughout the day, so you shouldn't have any problems there. Now for today, we are going to be seeing sunshine. We do have highs in the lower teens, and we are going to be seeing just a slight breeze coming out of the north, so it may feel a little bit colder than the actual temperature. And I will be talking about your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up with partly cloudy skies this morning, but it is very cold. Our temperature is continuously dropping this morning before it will only rise to the low teens for the high today. Let's take a look at that CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are once again seeing partly cloudy skies, and all of our temperatures are below 0 this morning. Now on our radar and satellite, we can see that we have little cloud cover in the air, and it is beginning to decrease. We are going to be seeing mostly sunny skies today. Not a breeze right now, but once we do get a breeze into the area, it will be coming out of the north, so that cold air coming into the region is going to make it feel a little bit colder than the actual temperature. We got a lot of Skywatcher reports this morning. Once again, all of them ranging below 0. We have 22 below in Old Forge and 21 below in Inlet. Very, very cold up north. 12 below in Oppenheim, 10 below in New Hartford, 9 below in Clinton and in Verona Beach. Very cold start to the morning. If we do go down to the south, still a lot of our temperatures are below 0. 8 below in Cooperstown, 5 below in Milford and in West Lawrence. We have to actually 2 above in Morris. But once again, still very cold. But good news is that it's not really windy at the moment, so it actually is feeling like this temperature. We still have this wind chill advisory in effect by the National Weather Service until 10 a.m. this morning. We're expecting wind chill values to get as low as 20 to 30 below once that wind does kind of pick up here this morning, and that's when frostbite can be possible within 30 minutes to exposed skin. So make sure you do bundle up if you are heading out, or better yet, just stay inside if you can. So this is what is going to happen today. We are going to rise to the single digits by later on this morning, and we will only rise to the lower teens for the high temperature today. It is going to be just a slight breezy outside, so probably feeling a little bit colder than the actual actual temperature, about 10 degrees colder than the actual temperature. So make sure you do bundle up. But good news is that it is going to remain sunny. Highs in the low teens, and it is going to be mostly sunny. Once again, getting pretty cold overnight tonight and waking up tomorrow with all of our temperatures below zero, very similar to today. We are going to warm up quite a bit tomorrow, though. We do have highs near 20 or in the low 20s with increasing clouds throughout the day. Now on Sunday, we are going to be seeing a few light lake effect snow showers kind of forming up north in the morning. They will shift down to the Mohawk Valley and south throughout the day, and we will see highs in the mid-20s. But for today, we are dry and mostly sunny with the high just in the lower teens. Overnight tonight, we are remaining clear, allowing for our temperatures to really drop below zero once again. It is going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow with a high in the low 20s, and it still is going to be sunny. On Sunday, we are going to be seeing a few light lake effect snow showers, especially up north. We are going to dry out on Monday before some light snow showers return for all of us on Tuesday. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. Utica police arrested a man
We're saying good morning to White Sparrow and all of the greater Utica region. We are starting out this morning with all of our temperatures below zero, and we are only looking to rise to the lower teens for the high today, so it is going to be a very cold day in store. If you are going to be walking to your car or just walking on the sidewalk, even in parking lots, just be careful for icy conditions. We did get below zero last night for quite a long time. We are going to stay below freezing today, so a lot of the areas that didn't get treated for snow and slush probably are going to be icy today, so just be careful of that. If you are planning out your weekend, it does look like our high temperatures are going to be in the lower to mid-20s for both days. Saturday looks to remain dry. We will be seeing partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. And on Sunday, we are going to be seeing a few lake effect snow showers up north that are going to shift down throughout the day on Sunday. So probably going to be seeing a few light snow showers. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. State Police guiding it's January 21st. I'm Katrina Smith. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now. Help you plan your day. Forecast is a cold one this morning to start.
Yes, we are all below zero this morning. It is very, very cold outside. It's not looking to warm up that much today.
Brisk.
Yes.
That's the word I like to use for this.
So let's take a look at our current temperatures right now at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. It is 8 degrees or 8 below zero, and it does feel like 8 below zero, which is a good thing because those winds are calm, so we are not really getting a wind chill temperature at the moment. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, and we are looking to remain dry for today and for tomorrow. Now, once again, our temperatures this morning are very low. We are at 20 below in Inlet, 10 below in Westmoreland, 2 below in Hamilton. We are only looking to warm up to the low teens for the high today. So it is frigid this morning. The cold weather does continue for the day, for the weekend, and the beginning of next week. But there is a chance for some lake effect snow on Sunday. So for the rest of the day, we will be mostly sunny with calm winds, and we will see high temperatures in the lower teens. And I will have your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. A new investigation.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up partly cloudy this morning. All of our temperatures are below zero. We are only looking to rise to the lower teens today. Let's take a look at that cavity tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Once again, partly cloudy skies to start us off this morning, but we will be seeing mostly sunshine today. On our radar and satellite, we see those decreasing clouds kind of in our area, but we are not seeing any wind at all. So that is a good thing because it is very, very cold this morning. All of our temperatures are looking to be below zero, and we see no wind in our area. If we do get a breeze later on today, it is going to be out of the north, though, so it is going to bring some colder air into the region, making it feel a lot colder than the actual temperature. We did get some Skywatch reports this morning. Once again, all of our temperatures below zero. We have 22 below in Old Forge, 12 below in Oppenheim, 3 below in Yorkville, 6 below in Glenmore. If we do go a little bit further down to the south, 8 below in Cooperstown, 5 below in Milford, and in West Lawrence. We're actually 2 above in Morris. So starting out very, very cold this morning, and it is not looking to warm up that much today. So from the National Weather Service, this is still in effect this morning, this wind chill advisory. It ends at 10 a.m. We are just worried about wind chill values getting as low as 20 below zero, and that's when frostbite can happen within 30 minutes. So if you are heading out this morning, even at all today, make sure you do bundle up. Or if you can, better yet, stay inside. So here are the temperatures today versus the wind chill temperatures. We are looking to remain below zero for the morning, and the wind chill temperatures are actually going to stay the same as the regular temperature. We are going to be getting a slight breeze today out of the north, so it is going to feel a little bit colder than the actual temperature by the afternoon, reaching a high in the low teens, but feeling about 10 degrees cooler than the actual temperature outside. So we are waking up this morning all below zero. We will see mostly sunny skies today with highs just in the low teens. Now overnight tonight it will remain clear, allowing for our temperatures once again to drop way below zero, and waking up tomorrow with a very similar feel to this morning. But we are going to be rising quite a bit tomorrow. We will see highs in the low 20s with increasing clouds. Now moving into Sunday, it will remain pretty warm with highs in the 20s, but we will see some lake effect snow showers form up north in the morning. These will shift south down to the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys by the afternoon. So all of us are going to be seeing some light snowfall on Sunday. Now for today, we will see a high in the low teens. It will be mostly sunny outside with a calm wind. Overnight tonight, we are looking to remain clear, allowing for those low temperatures to drop below zero once again. It is going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow with our highs in the low 20s. We are expecting some lake effect snow showers on Sunday before drying out on Monday. Our next chance for some light snowfall does return on Tuesday. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. Ralph,
welcome back. If you are heading out skiing or snowboarding to any of the mountains this weekend, it does look like a good weekend to go. It's not going to be that cold. And over the past week, a lot of new snow has been accumulated because of that snowstorm thing that we saw on Monday. A lot of the conditions are good too. We are ranging from machine groomed to packed powder for the conditions. Now we are still behind in snowfall. We are about 2 feet behind. The average snowfall that we should have gotten by now is 46 inches, and we are just shy of 2 feet of snow that we have seen so far. This is measured at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. Once again, if you are planning out your weekend, it looks to remain dry, a little bit colder on Saturday than Sunday, but it is going to be sunny. Now on Sunday, we are going to be seeing a few lake effect snow showers kind of moving through the area, but these are going to be very light. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Now, clock, it's Friday. It's January 21st. I'm Katrina Smith. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now, help you plan that day. And it is a brisk start, so bundle up, right, Hannah?
Yes, bundle up today. We were just actually talking about skiing, and I was like, I don't think I could go today or tonight. It's too cold for me.
You just have to cover it, like, you know, you wear the face mask, the goggles, you don't have an inch of skin showing, and you're good to go.
Yes, but it is still pretty cold outside. Let's take a look at the bus stop forecast for this morning. All of our temperatures are still below zero. It is going to be very frigid if you are heading out, and by the afternoon only a high in the lower teens, but at least it will be sunny. So for today we will be seeing mostly sunny skies with a high in the lower teens and calm winds. Overnight tonight, all of our temperatures once again dropping below zero. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. From the news.
Welcome back. We are waking up this morning to very low temperatures. All of our temperatures are below zero, but it is mostly sunny out sky. It's still mostly clear. If we look at our Mesonet cameras, all of our cameras are showing snow on the ground, so all of us do have some snow on the ground this morning, but it is very frigid. The cold weather is going to continue into the weekend and the beginning of next week, but we do have a chance for some light lake effect snow on Sunday. Now, as for today, we only have a high in the lower teens. It is going to be very cold outside, and overnight tonight dropping below zero once again, very similar to this morning. Very, very cold. I'll have another look at your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. Governor Hochul is urging.
Welcome back. Once again, waking up very, very cold this morning. We do have a cold day in store for today and for tonight. Let's take a look at our current conditions at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We have been steadily dropping this morning. We are now at 10 below zero, but it does feel like this temperature because good news is the winds are calm. We are also dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and we will be sunny for today and for tomorrow. So if you are planning out your weekend, Looks like the high temperatures are going to be in the low to mid 20s. It will be sunny on Saturday, but on Sunday we are going to be seeing some light lake effect snow showers kind of forming up north and then shifting south as the day goes on, but these are going to be very light. So we have frigid temperatures this morning. The cold weather does continue, and that chance for some snow does stick around for Sunday. Now for the rest of the day, we will see high only in the low teens, but it will be mostly sunny. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up partly cloudy this morning, but all of our temperatures are still way below zero. Let's take a look at that CAV tower camera. A pretty sunrise overlooking the city of Utica. Good news is that we will be mostly sunny for the day today, despite those very low temperatures. On our radar and satellite this morning, we do see a decrease in the clouds happening, so we are going to be seeing mostly sunny skies today, and it looks like there is no wind over our area. There is wind surrounding us, kind of moving in from the north. We are seeing no wind at the moment. We are going to be seeing a slight breeze later on today, once again coming out of the north. That is going to bring a little bit of colder air temperature into our area, so it is going to feel a little bit colder. Here are some Skywatcher reports from this morning. We are all below zero. We are at 22 below up in Old Forge. Very, very cold up there. 6 below in Glenmore, 10 below in New Hartford, and 9 below zero in Clinton. If we do go down to the south, still looking below zero. We have 9 below in West Winfield, 3 below in Evanston, actually 2 above in Morris. But once again, still very cold this morning. We are only looking to rise to the lower teens for the high today. So right now we are not really experiencing any winds, so it actually feels like the temperature. But as we get into the afternoon hours, we will start to feel a slight breeze coming out of the north. So it is going to feel about 10 degrees cooler than the actual temperature outside. So if you are heading out today at all, do make sure you do bundle up. It is going to be very cold, or better yet, if I didn't have to be outside, I would be staying inside for the day. It is very cold out there. So we are waking up this morning with all of our temperatures below zero. It will be mostly sunny today with highs in the low teens and calm winds. Now overnight tonight, we will remain clear, allowing once again all of our temperatures to drop below zero. So waking up tomorrow, it is going to be very similar like this morning. We are going to warm up quite a bit tomorrow with a high in the low 20s, so it is going to feel a lot warmer than today. We will see an increase in clouds tomorrow evening, and we will see some lake effect snow showers moving in up north on Sunday. That will shift down south throughout the day on Sunday, so all of us are looking to see some light snow showers on Sunday. Now for today, we have a high just in the low teens. It is mostly sunny outside, so that is a good thing, and the winds are going to be calm. We will feel a slight breeze coming out of the north. Overnight tonight, we do have lows all below zero. Now it is going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow with those lake effect snow showers moving in on Sunday, drying out on Monday before some light snow showers return on Tuesday.
Forecast, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are still very cold here this noon. Our temperatures are still in the single digits, and once again tonight we will drop below zero for our low temperatures. Let's take a look at that temperature at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We are at 6 degrees right now, but it does feel like 3 below zero because we are seeing just a slight wind coming out of the west at 5 miles per hour. But we are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, looking like no clouds in the sky either on our CAV tower camera, so at least it is sunny outside. But that cold weather will continue through today and the weekend. We are going to be seeing a chance for some lake effect snow showers on Sunday, and we do just have quiet weather ahead, no big snowstorms in sight. Right now, our temperatures are in the single digits. We will rise to the low teens for the high, but once again, overnight we are dropping below zero, and I will have your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing beautiful sunshine outside, but it is still very cold with our temperatures still in the single digits. Now, on our CAV tower camera here this noon, we are seeing no clouds in the sky right now, but once again, it is still very, very cold. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry and mostly sunny here this afternoon. Nothing really to talk about on the radar and satellite either. We are seeing calm winds at the moment, so the temperature outside, although it is cold, it actually does feel like that temperature. We did get a few Skywatch reports here this afternoon. We are in the single digits for most of us. Just 4 degrees up in Old Forge, 7 degrees in Clinton, and 9 degrees in Otsego and Cooperstown. So it is a very chilly afternoon. It is just going to get colder overnight once again tonight. But the good news is that we are going to be seeing sunshine. We are seeing sunshine today and tomorrow. It is going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow than today. Now on Sunday, we are expecting a few lake effect snow showers to come into the area, especially up north. So overcast is likely, but the sunshine does return on Monday. So if you are planning out your weekend, Saturday is going to be dry and partly cloudy to mostly sunny for all of us. Temperatures are going to be in near 20 to the low 20s for the high. Now moving into Sunday, we are definitely expecting some lake effect snow showers up north. They are going to be very light, but they are going to shift south throughout the day. So most of us are going to be seeing some type of snow shower on Sunday, and it is going to be a little bit warmer than Saturday. So we are mostly clear here this noon, but temperatures are still in the single digits. We will only reach a high today in the low teens. Now by this evening, we will be below zero once again, and overnight lows getting way below zero once again, just like last night. So waking up tomorrow morning is going to be very similar to this morning. All of our temperatures will be below zero. It is going to be pretty cold. We are going to warm up quite quickly tomorrow, though. We will see highs near 20 instead of just in the low teens, with increasing clouds throughout the day. Now on Sunday, that lake effect snow showers up north do come in earlier in the day, and they will be shifting throughout the afternoon hours, but once again, they are very light in nature, and it is going to be a little bit warmer on Sunday with highs in the low to mid 20s. Now for today, we just have a high in the low teens. It is very cold outside, but at least it is sunny. Overnight tonight, we will see lows all below zero. It is going to be very cold once again tonight. Now for tomorrow, it is going to be a little bit warmer than today. We will see highs in the low 20s. Lake effect snow does come into the area on Sunday before we dry out on Monday once again. Some light snow showers do return to the region on Tuesday. We'll be right back after this.
Second half hour, News Channel 2 at noon. I'm Katrina Smith. Meteorologist Hannah Evans is tracking cold temperatures into tomorrow. Get right to the Weather Center.
Yes, we are very cold this afternoon. All of our temperatures are in the single digits, and we will only rise to the lower teens for the high temperature today. Let's take a look at our current conditions at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. It is 6 degrees outside. It feels a little bit cooler because we are seeing a little bit of a breeze outside, but at least it is sunny. We are also dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar and are looking to remain dry and sunny for tomorrow. So the cold weather does continue into today and this weekend. There is a chance for some snow coming in on Sunday, but after Sunday, we are going to be seeing quiet weather conditions ahead. So for the rest of the day, we are going to reach a high in the lower teens, and then we will drop below zero once again overnight tonight. And I will have your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much,
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing sunny skies here this afternoon, but it is very cold. Our temperatures are still in the single digits. Now, on our CAVI tower camera, we are seeing no clouds in the sky, and it is looking dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, it is mostly sunny and bright out there, so if you are driving, I would definitely grab those sunglasses. The sun can be blinding at times. Nothing really to talk about on the radar and satellite. We are really seeing no cloud cover in our area and no wind right now, which is a good thing because our temperature is actually feeling like the current temperature. We did get some Skywatch reports this afternoon. We are ranging in the single digits to the teens now for some areas. We have just 4 degrees in Old Forge, 15 degrees in Gray, 7 in Clinton, and 9 degrees in Cooperstown and Otsego. We are only looking to rise to the teens for the high temperature today. But good news is that it is going to be sunny. We are going to be seeing most mostly sunny skies for today and for tomorrow. Now on Sunday, lake effect snow is going to come into the area, so we are going to be seeing overcast skies, but the sunny skies look to return on Monday. If you are planning out your weekend, it is going to be dry on Saturday. We are looking at partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies with highs near 20 or in the lower 20s. Now for Sunday, we are going to be seeing some lake effect snow showers start up north, and they will be shifting down throughout the day. So at least some of us are going to be seeing a little bit of snow on Sunday, but these are going to be very light snow showers with little accumulation. So we are seeing temperatures in the single digits to teens right now. We are seeing mostly sunny skies. We will only reach a high in the teens today. Overnight tonight, our lows once again will drop below zero, very similar to last night. And waking up tomorrow morning is going to be very similar to this morning with very, very low temperatures still below zero. Now for the day tomorrow, it will get warmer quite quickly. We will see highs in the low 20s instead of in the teens like today. We will also see an increase in clouds by the evening time. Now into Sunday, we will be seeing mostly cloudy skies, and lake effect snow does start up north in the morning hours. This does look to shift south throughout the day, but little accumulation is expected from this snow event. Now for today, we are seeing a high in the teens. It is very, very cold outside, so make sure you do bundle up. Overnight tonight, we will see lows all below zero. It is going to be very cold tonight, but the winds are going to be calm and it is going to be clear. Now for tomorrow, it is going to be getting a little bit warmer than today. We will see highs in the low 20s. Moving into Sunday, lake effect snow showers are expected, especially up north with a high in the mid 20s. We are drying out on Monday before some light snow showers return on Tuesday. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah.
I'm Kristen Copeland.
I'm Jason Paulus. Well, the sun can be deceiving. 12 degrees outside and it's dropping.
We've now had a few days this year with potentially dangerous temperatures, and tonight it will be well below zero. Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis is tracking from the Weather Center.
Yeah, temperatures tonight will be colder than last night, but we won't be dealing with the wind, and therefore we don't have a wind chill advisory. Just because we don't have a wind chill advisory doesn't mean it's not going to get cold. We're looking at air temperatures overnight between 10 to 20 below zero. Current temperature is 11, feels like 1, clear skies, and as the winds become later this evening, we are expecting temperatures to drop like a rock. I think we'll be below zero in just a couple of hours here for many areas. A live look at the Earthfield Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is looking dry. Once we get through tonight, the weather is going to warm up pretty dramatically as we head into Saturday. And I think it's actually a perfect weekend for winter sports if you love cross-country skiing, downhill skiing, snowmobiling. It should be a fantastic weekend to get out and enjoy, and we do have plenty of snow to enjoy, especially north. The weather looks quiet over the next several days. We do have more rounds of cold as we look ahead. Again, it is going to be very cold this evening. Temperatures drop into the single digits, and again, we're tracking how cold it gets tonight. Look at that forecast coming up. Kristen, back to you.
A water main break in the village of
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking frigid temperatures as we head into tonight. Many places 10 to 20 below zero by tomorrow morning. A live look at our Cavity Tower Cam. A great sunset. You can see plenty of twilight. We are expecting skies to remain clear, and with light winds, temperatures fall very quickly. Tonight's view of the International Space Station looks great. If you just dress properly for this, it should be one of the nicest and brightest flybys of the month. This will be visible for 7 minutes, taking place in about 25 minutes from now, 5:38. Again, it flies by almost directly overhead, and again, it's a long and bright event for, again, the International Space Station. Temperatures tonight will drop. We're looking at overnight lows similar to last night across the North Country. Boonville 20 below, Old Forge 22 below, Middleville 11 below, Rome down to 12 below zero. Across the Southern Valleys, many areas are about 10 to 12 degrees below zero. Cooperstown 10 below, Norwich 12 below zero, and Hamilton down to 11 below zero. It is dry, and it will stay dry as we head into tonight. The weather warms up as we head into the weekend. Once we get past Saturday morning, the weather will be a lot warmer and a lot more comfortable, and it should be a great weekend for winter activities. Cross-country skiing, snowmobiling, things are looking great for Saturday afternoon as well as Sunday. But again, with it being so cold tonight again, bring the pets in. Again, we're expecting overnight lows below zero. The radar and satellite image is showing high pressure building in from the north. It's also going to push a winter storm to our south. More wintry weather taking place across the Carolinas tonight. Clear skies tonight. Again, double digits below zero to start out Saturday morning. But we warm up very quickly. We'll be back into the upper teens to low 20s Saturday afternoon. Sunshine giving way to just a few high clouds. The next weather system arrives Saturday night and into Sunday. This brings a round of some light lake effect snow. Generally light accumulations are expected across the area, less than an inch for most areas, perhaps an inch or two north of the Mohawk Valley. And the weather starts to turn colder again as we head into Sunday night. Frigid tonight, down to 12 below zero, clear skies and generally light winds. A cold start to Saturday, but again, it does warm up really quickly. We're looking at temperatures in the afternoon in the upper teens to low 20s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Snow showers Sunday, little accumulation is expected, a high of 25. Monday's high 21 after a cold start. Widespread light snow on Tuesday, temperatures near 30. It does get cold again on Wednesday. Temperatures then in the teens both Wednesday and Thursday, and then we're into the mid-20s looking ahead to Friday. And coming up in a couple of minutes, we're kind of breaking format. We're looking at the freezing point of some different substances, and you might find it kind of interesting.
Interesting, but it also puts a lot into perspective, too.
Right.
All right, Bill, thank you. New York State movie theater.
About the cold as we head into tonight, overnight lows 10 to 20 below zero. I wanted to take a look at the freezing point of certain things, just to put things in perspective. Water, of course, freezes at 32 degrees. As we work our way down the list, seawater, 27 degrees. With seawater being mixed with some salt, it has a lower freezing point. Antifreeze is about 50 below zero, so even the coldest temperatures in central New York don't really cause any big problems for vehicles. Of course, your car battery may take longer to start, and it's a little bit of a struggle. Gasoline is 100 below zero, so that's not going to happen around here. By the way, the state record, 52 below zero in Old Forge in 1979. What will happen tonight, though, is what's in the middle, the effectiveness of salt. So when salt's on the road, we know that it helps to melt and keep snow off the roads, but when you get below 10 degrees, as we will tonight, salt is much less effective. In fact, is not effective at all as we get down into the single digits. So things can turn pretty icy here overnight as salt loses its effectiveness on the roadways. We are taking a look at much warmer weather over the weekend. Look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Coming up, an update now with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Talking about the cold, today's high temperature only 12 degrees. We started out at 11 below zero at Griffiths. Comparing this to average, it is, of course, a much colder typical January day. The typical day is 28 degrees for the high and the low of 13. We didn't break the record. Record was 16 below zero back in 2005, but it was certainly a cold day across the area. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking pretty quiet. I wanted to look to the east tonight. We're looking towards Cape Cod, so this is south of Boston. The snow that's on the screen is caused by the ocean. This is called ocean effect snow. So just like lake effect, this same process happens off the Atlantic Ocean, and it can bring snowfall to Cape Cod. Actually, several inches of snow expected, up to 7 inches of snow in parts of the Cape tonight. Of course, that'll stay well out of our area. We're dealing with the cold this evening, temperatures in the single digits, and again, we're expecting overnight lows well below zero. The weather, though, does turn a lot less cold over the weekend. A look at that weekend forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The Utica St.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. It is very cold out there and temperatures will continue to drop very quickly as we head into this evening. A lot of us are going to see air temperatures tonight even colder than what we saw last night. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cavity Tower cam. We have twilight and we are looking at dry conditions here as we head into this evening. Let's see if the video works here. It does. So this is what I captured during the commercial break. There's the International Space Station flying right overhead. A really great flyby here. This, by the way, is our television tower. And again, that made a flyby that was almost directly overhead. Great viewing. There's going to be a second pass of the International Space Station It's 7:15 to 7:17, and you're going to look towards the northern sky, the northwestern sky for this. It won't be quite as bright as what we just saw. Temperatures across the area tonight, again, very cold. This is a look at the overnight lows. Remsen, 16 below, Boonville, 20 below, Rome, 12 below, Waterville, 10 below zero. Across the Southern Valleys tonight, Cooperstown, 10 below, Morris, 11 below, New Hartford, 9 below, Hamilton down to 11 below zero. So certainly frigid conditions. This, believe it or not, is not record-setting. It does get this cold and has many times in Januaries in the past. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, it is looking dry. And if you are heading out tonight, like we mentioned earlier about salt losing its effectiveness to keep the roads clean. And so roads could be a little bit icy tonight, especially ones that still have that slush on them and salt. This also includes your sidewalks as well. So again, a couple of slippery spots here heading into tomorrow morning. The weekend ahead should be fantastic for winter enthusiasts. We're looking at temperatures in the 20s, so not too cold. We're having dry weather throughout the weekend too. And the quality of the snow will be pretty icy here over the next couple of days, but we will be adding some light snow on Sunday. And again, take advantage of it. We're looking at a pretty good snowpack across the area, especially north of the Mohawk Valley. Current temperatures from our Skywatchers, single digits, Old Forge 7, Barneveld 7 degrees, Clinton 7. Across Southern Valleys, Cooperstown 11, Richfield 6, and Eaton already down to 3. And again, we'll be below zero here over the next couple of hours. So you look at the radar satellite image, again, we are looking at dry weather, keeping us clear tonight, and also pushing a weather maker to our south. South is dealing with another mix of snow, sleet, and even some freezing rain into the Carolinas tonight. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, again, locally, we're dry. It's frigid to start out Saturday morning, but we do warm up. In the afternoon, temperatures are back into the upper teens to low 20s with a few high clouds arriving. Saturday night, overnight lows drop down into the teens. We do see some light snow on Sunday, light accumulations for most areas as our next weather maker arrives. And this brings another drop in the temperature as we head into Sunday night and Monday. Frigid night tonight, a low of 12 below zero, not dealing with the wind chill. Winds are going to be pretty light. Tomorrow, sunshine, not as cold. A frigid start, but we're back into the low 20s in the afternoon. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Some light snow Sunday, 25. Temperatures in the low 20s on Monday. Sunshine giving way to clouds. Light snow on Tuesday, some accumulation, a high of 30. Cold again Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures in the teens, overnight lows below zero. We're looking at mostly cloudy skies and dry as we look ahead to next Friday. We'll be right back.
Kristen Copeland, if you're headed out tonight, you need to bundle up. Better advice? Stay home.
Temperatures are dropping, but will it continue into the weekend? Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis joins us now from the Weather Center with more. Good evening, Bill.
Yeah, we're down to the single digits now. 8 degrees is the current temperature. We're going to be below zero shortly here across the region. Some places are already below zero. So again, a very frigid night is ahead. This is going to be it as we head into tonight and tomorrow morning. That's going to be the coldest stretch. And then we turn the corner, and the weekend is looking much better, much nicer for winter sports as we head into Saturday and Sunday. Again, a current temperature of 8 degrees. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is clear. Temperatures will continue to plunge tonight. Most areas are 10 to 20 below zero starting Saturday morning. The good news is that we do not have a wind, and therefore we don't have a wind chill. And we do not have any wind chill advisories in effect. Weather looks perfect this weekend for winter sports. Again, it is going to be much warmer Saturday afternoon as well as Sunday. Temperatures in the 20s. Weather pretty quiet looking ahead, but we do have a couple of chances of snow that we'll take a closer look at. Again, down into the single digits over the next few hours to below zero. We're tracking those overnight lows across the region. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The American Red Cross.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A frigid night is expected with many areas dropping between 10 to 20 below zero with clear skies. So let's take a live look outside. Our Cavity Tower cam is looking quiet as we overlook at the city of Utica. It was a cold one last night too. A lot of places getting down to 10 to, in some cases, 20 below zero, the coldest of which was taking place across the North Country. Well, that's going to happen tonight, too. We're down to 22 below zero in Old Forge, Boonville 20 below zero, Utica 10 below zero, Middleville 11 below zero, and Camden down to 19 below zero. For most of us, tonight should actually be colder than last night. Richfield Springs 10 below zero, 7 below zero in Oneida, and Morris down to 11 below zero. So the core of the coldest period is going to be tonight and into early tomorrow morning, but we will quickly climb out of the chill as we head throughout Saturday afternoon. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, the weather is looking dry. As it continues to get cold tonight, we get down into temperatures below zero. Salt becomes less effective, so sidewalks will remain icy tonight. Even some treated roadways could still become slippery here as, again, we get really cold and salt loses its effectiveness. As we head into the weekend, the weather looks really nice for winter sports. We're not going to be as cold heading into Saturday afternoon. Temperatures will be in the 20s and it will be dry. Sunday, some light snow. Temperatures, again, in the 20s. Again, perfect conditions with the snow that is out there. We do have enough to enjoy, especially heading north for skiing and snowmobiling and cross-country skiing or sledding. Temperatures this evening are rapidly dropping. A lot of our sky watchers are in the single digits. Clinton 7 degrees, Gray 3 across southern valleys. Again, single digits for many areas and falling. Again, we'll be below zero in just a couple of hours for most areas. So we look at the radar and satellite image. High pressure moves in from the north. This is going to push a snowstorm and an ice maker to our south. Take a look at this. This is in the Carolinas. Snow, sleet, freezing rain as far south as Myrtle Beach tonight. Again, that stays away from our area. We're dry overnight. Again, it's a frigid start to Saturday. Beautiful Saturday afternoon. We do climb quickly. We should be in the upper teens to low 20s in the afternoon. So a nice recovery after such a cold start. Some light snow is expected to arrive on Sunday. Most areas pick up a very light accumulation. Sunday will be warmer too compared to today with high temperatures in the 20s. Frigid tonight, clear skies. Overnight lows again 10 to 20 below zero region wide. We do climb into the low 20s tomorrow afternoon with mostly sunny skies. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Light snow Sunday, 25 degrees. Monday is looking dry. More light accumulating snow for Tuesday, a high of 30. Cold weather here for Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures in the teens. Temperatures climb into the mid-20s again. Looking ahead to next Friday. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. Still to come on News Channel 2. Thank you for joining us tonight. We're going to get to those stories in a moment. First, we are officially below zero outside. That's the bad news. The good news, well, the winds are calm. And the other good news, Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis is tracking it all for us in the Weather Center. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. 4 below zero is the current temperature. We're going to continue to drop. I think a lot of areas will be double digits below zero as we head into tomorrow morning. Again, our current temperature is also the same as the wind chill because there's no wind. And that is the difference between tonight and yesterday night. Calm winds, clear skies. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All is quiet across the region. We're not expecting any snow here for at least the next 24 hours. Again, frigid temperatures tonight. It is going to be perfect this weekend weather-wise for outdoor activities. Winter sports, basically a 9.9 out of 10 here throughout the weekend because we're looking at warmer temperatures but also below freezing, so the snow should be in pristine shape. The weather does look quiet over the next couple of days, although we are tracking some chances for snow looking ahead. It's frigid. It's clear tonight. We're down to 12 below zero. Again, we are tracking a warmer weekend. A look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New tonight as temperature.
Dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Happy Friday. We're getting ready for the weekend, and it's going to be a cold start. It's cold out there tonight. So live look at the CAV Tower Cam. 4 below zero at Griffiths and Rome. Look at how cold it is to the north. Watertown is 16 below zero. Saranac Lake is 19 below zero. These places across the North Country will easily get down to 20 to 25 below zero tonight. Most of us here in central New York bottom out between 10 to 15 below zero. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is dry. It will remain dry tonight. And again, just a reminder, with it being this cold, you want to bring in your pets tonight as temperatures drop below zero, continue to drop below zero. Tomorrow morning, with the cold start, you might want to give your car a couple of minutes to warm up, at least to get the heat going. And again, we're looking at icy sidewalks as you are walking outdoors tomorrow. The sidewalks will remain slippery. One of the reasons why it's going to stay icy is because the salt doesn't have as much of a, is not as effective as temperatures remain this cold. But we are going to see some improvements in the weather. As we head into Saturday, temperatures climb into the low 20s, and we will warm up under mostly sunny skies. Sunday, just a few light snow showers, temperatures in the mid-20s. Overall, a really nice weekend. For those of you that love winter sports, this is a perfect weekend for you. We have lots of snow, plenty of snow to enjoy, especially heading to the north. Areas across the North Country seeing the most snow in our area. Again, sledding forecast looking pretty good. A little icy tomorrow, but with some light snow in the forecast, I think, again, conditions to enjoy winter sports will be very good here heading throughout the next couple of days. Radar and satellite image shows high pressure driving our weather, also pushing a storm to the south. Wintry weather across the Carolinas this evening. We remain dry in our local area tonight, and again, we start out below zero Saturday morning. Plenty of sunshine, and again, we do warm up throughout Saturday. We're looking at partly sunny skies, temperatures in the low 20s. Saturday night, our next weather maker brings us some light snow. We are seeing some lake effect snow showers into Sunday, light accumulations here. Temperatures will climb into the mid-20s Sunday before dropping heading into Monday, Sunday night and into Monday. Frigid and clear tonight, a low of 12 below zero. A sunny day tomorrow, not quite as cold with temperatures in the low 20s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunday, snow showers 25. Monday, a little bit colder, 21 degrees, mostly sunny. Some light snow Tuesday. Temperatures warm up, will be in the low 30s. Cold again Wednesday and Thursday, temperatures in the teens, back into the mid-20s, looking ahead to next Friday. We'll be right back.
Thank you for joining us. We're going to get to those stories in just a moment. But first, we are officially below zero outside. That's the bad news. Good news, though, the winds are calm. Chief Meteorologist Bill Card is tracking those frigid temperatures tonight and when we could see a reprieve. Bill, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Jason. If you're wondering why we don't have any advisories in effect, it's because we don't have any wind. It's still going to be cold, in fact, colder tonight than it was last night. But again, with the wind, without the wind, we don't have a wind chill. Current temperatures 5 below zero. Cold is cold either way. We're looking at overnight lows between 10 to 20 below zero across the region with calm winds and clear skies. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, we are looking at dry conditions, frigid tonight. Don't be alarmed to see the temperatures really cold tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, the weather warms up. We're expecting really nice conditions for winter sports across central New York with generally quiet weather ahead. It's frigid. It's clear tonight. We're down to 12 below zero. Again, we are tracking a nicer, warmer weekend. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New tonight as the temperatures drop.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Already below zero across central New York. Many of us drop between 10 to 20 below zero tonight. It's a live look at our Cavy Tower Cam. Look at Saranac Lake, 22 degrees below zero. That's the current temperature. And again, many of us falling between 10 to 20 below zero tonight. It is dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And a reminder, bring your pets in tonight with these temperatures being so cold. If you are going to be heading out tomorrow, I want to think about starting your car at least to get it warmed up. And it's going to take a little while for that to get warmed up tomorrow. Also, as you're heading out, sidewalks are still pretty icy, especially as we get these cold temperatures. The salt is not as effective compared to warmer temperatures. We do get warm tomorrow, at least warmer. High of 22. Sunshine. Actually should be a really nice weekend for winter sports. Perfect weather for this, and it's not going to be all that cold. Sledding conditions remain pretty good here over the next couple of days as well. The weather looks pretty quiet. We've got high pressure in control of our weather. This is going to push a storm system to the south, so we do stay dry throughout the majority of the weekend. Again, a frigid start to Saturday. Sunshine, though, as we head into the afternoon. We warm up really quickly. We'll be into the 20s in the afternoon. Some clouds start to arrive Saturday night. Some light snow breaks out. Heading into Sunday morning, little accumulation is expected. Heading into Sunday afternoon, temperatures will start to cool down as the next push of colder weather arrives. It's frigid tonight. We're down to 12 below zero. We warm up tomorrow into the low 20s, a nice winter day. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast, light snow showers Sunday 25. Monday is looking dry. Another round of snow, accumulating snow for Tuesday, followed by another round of cold. Temperatures in the teens Wednesday and Thursday. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Up next.